With Bob. For today's recipe, you will need some finely sliced mushrooms, a steak provided by your teenage daughter who left it on returning to university, some salt, some pepper, and some ground garlic and chilli, some extra virgin olive oil. Gently heat the olive oil and place the mushrooms in it to gently cook on. Free steak. Once your mushrooms are sufficiently softened, take your free steak and place it in the pan. Good. Add a small twist of garlic and chilli powder. Actually, more a party political broadcast than a small twist. Touch of salt. And a touch of pepper. Keep the steak and mushrooms moving around the pan nicely. And turn on your toaster, which your wife has unplugged for you. Turn on your toaster. You don't have to use mushrooms for this recipe, you can use onions, whichever one your teenage son doesn't eat. So we've gone with mushrooms for this morning. Slightly increase the temperature. Remember at all times to keep the steak moving around the pan. Doesn't that look good? Your free steak is cooked sufficiently and your toast is done. Remove your toast from the toaster. And using a pair of kitchen tongs, share the steak and mushrooms between the two sandwiches. Remembering to ensure that you get more of the steak than your wife. She won't appreciate it anyway. But giving her extra mushrooms because she's on a diet. Placing the top piece of bread, squidge it down firmly. That's a technical term. Cut the sandwiches in half. And tell your wife, darling, free steak sandwiches are ready.